Have you ever cleaned something in your home, stepped back and thought, why does this still look dirty? You use the same trick everyone online recommends, but somehow the result just isn't the same. Here's the surprising part most people don't realize. Some of the most popular cleaning tricks are actually done the wrong way by millions of people every single day. Cleaning sounds simple, but small mistakes can make a big difference. Many people spend extra time scrubbing, using more products, and still not getting the results they want. The good news is that fixing a few small habits can make cleaning faster, easier, and even healthier for your home. Today, we're going to go through some cleaning tricks that most people do wrong and how to do them the right way. These are everyday things like wiping surfaces, cleaning your kitchen, washing produce, and even using common items like baking soda or vinegar. By the end of this video, you might realize you've been working harder than you need to. Let's start with something almost everyone does daily: wiping kitchen counters. Most people spray cleaner and wipe it off immediately. It feels productive, but here's the issue. Many cleaning sprays actually need a few seconds to break down grease and bacteria. If you spray and wipe right away, the cleaner doesn't have time to do its job. A better method is to spray the surface and wait about 10 to 20 seconds before wiping. That short pause can make your counters look much cleaner with less effort. Another cleaning trick people often do wrong is using too much product. More soap, more spray, more foam might seem like it cleans better, but it often does the opposite. Too much product can leave behind a sticky film that collects dust and germs faster. You may have noticed this on kitchen tables, appliances, or even floors that feel slightly greasy after cleaning. Using a smaller amount of cleaner and wiping thoroughly usually works better. It saves money too, which is always a nice bonus. Now let's talk about one of the biggest mistakes people make in the kitchen: cleaning with a dirty sponge. A sponge might look fine on the outside, but it can hold a lot of bacteria after just a few days. When you use it again, you might be spreading germs instead of removing them. A simple fix is to replace sponges more often or sanitize them regularly. Some people microwave a damp sponge for about a minute or run it through the dishwasher. Even better, you can switch to cleaning cloths that are easier to wash and reuse. Another common mistake happens when people clean glass or mirrors. Many people spray glass cleaner directly onto the surface until it's dripping, then they wipe it with paper towels and end up with streaks everywhere. The trick most people miss is that less spray actually works better. A light mist and a microfiber cloth can give you a much clearer finish. Microfiber grabs dust and oil better than regular paper towels. Let's move into a cleaning trick that gets a lot of attention online: baking soda for everything. Baking soda is great for certain jobs like removing odors or scrubbing tough stains, but many people try to use it for cleaning smooth surfaces where it's not always the best choice. For example, baking soda can leave a white residue on dark counters or appliances if it's not wiped properly. It works best when used for specific tasks like cleaning sinks, cutting boards, or stubborn spots in the kitchen. Knowing when to use it makes a big difference. Another area people often get wrong is washing fruits and vegetables. Some people rinse fruits quickly and assume it's clean. Others try strange internet tricks like using soap or special sprays. In most cases, simple running water works very well. Rubbing fruits and vegetables gently underwater removes dirt and many unwanted particles. Using soap on produce isn't recommended and can actually leave residues you don't want to eat. Now here's a mistake many people don't even realize they're making. When cleaning the bathroom, most people clean the toilet first and then move to other areas like the sink or counters. It might seem efficient, but it can spread germs around the room. A smarter approach is to clean less dirty areas first, like mirrors and counters, and leave the toilet for last. That way, you reduce the chance of spreading bacteria. Small changes like this can make your cleaning routine much more effective. Let's talk about vacuuming, because this is another trick most people rush through. Many people move the vacuum quickly across the floor just to finish faster, but vacuums actually work better when you slow down slightly. Moving slower allows the vacuum to pull more dust and debris from carpets and rugs. Think of it like giving the machine time to do its job. Even a few extra seconds per area can make your floors noticeably cleaner. Now we're getting to something that surprises a lot of people. One of the most common cleaning mistakes is cleaning in the wrong order. Many people start cleaning surfaces before removing clutter or dust. When you clean first and dust last, the dust falls right back onto the area you just cleaned. The smarter method is to declutter first, dust second, and wipe surfaces last. This simple order change can cut cleaning time and improve results. Here's the big insight that most people don't hear often enough. Cleaning is less about scrubbing harder and more about using the right method at the right time. Small habits like waiting a few seconds after spraying, using less product, and cleaning in the right order can completely change how effective your routine is. That's why some people seem to clean quickly and still get great results. They're not necessarily working harder, they're just avoiding these common mistakes. The best part is that none of these fixes require expensive tools or special products. Just a few small adjustments to your routine can make your home look cleaner and feel fresher. And once you start noticing the difference, it actually makes cleaning less frustrating. So let's quickly recap the biggest cleaning tricks people often do wrong. Don't wipe cleaners off immediately, use less product instead of more, replace or sanitize sponges regularly, and slow down when vacuuming. Also, remember to clean in the right order and use simple methods like water for produce. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple health, home, and everyday wellness tips that actually make life easier. I share practical advice that you can start using right away. Now, I'm curious about your experience. What is one cleaning habit you recently changed that made your home feel cleaner or healthier?